In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the A minor pentatonic scale when you're in the key of A major. In another video, I explained the theory behind this, but I'm going to give you a quick review. We're looking for the sound of the dominant 7 notes of the progression A7, D7, E7. When you're in the key of A major, those are your 3 chords that you'd be using this over, A7, D7, E7. So you have the F sharp minor pentatonic scale, which is the pentatonic scale from that key. But it's not the scale you want to use. It's not going to sound the best, and here's why. When you play the dominant 7 chords, the dominant 7 notes are the notes you're chasing in the melody you're making. Since we hear the dominant 7 notes first, or the most, because they are like a sore thumb, they're not part of the key, so they stand out the most. So that's the note we need to chase in the melody, because that's what you're going to be hearing, so that's what you're going to play against. So you need to find a scale that has G, C, and D, because those are your dominant 7 notes in those 3 chords. Paired up with the A note and the E note that roots off of the A chord and the E roots the E chord, you're getting A, C, D, E, G as the 5 notes that are the main 5 notes in this A major progression. So then you go and recognize that the key of A minor has a pentatonic scale that fits all 5 notes you need while you are in this key of A major. So let's see how it works. If you just play along yourself and play against yourself, which is probably the best way to do it, you play yourself just a simple A7 chord to hear the tonalities, and then you walk this A minor pentatonic scale very smoothly, just as slowly, just until you get to the root of A. It sounds really nice and it fits very well. If you go to the D7, D, F, A, C, well, A and C are part of the A minor chord, so half of this chord is A minor. So you've got the scale sitting right in the scale will work. It sits right here, and the C and the A are right here. It fits over the A and the C in your D chord. Now you move to E7, which is E, G, B, D. And E is in the A chord. So the whole thing all works with the A minor pentatonic scale, because the notes in this scale support all the notes in these chords. Those chords are so... That's all A minor pentatonic scale, but yet you're playing in the key of A major. And that's how you get the minor scale to work in the major key. I hope that makes it understandable for you, so that the other video makes a little more sense. Some guys wanted to see some of that stuff on live footage. And that's how it's played. So I hope that makes it easier for you guys to understand and helps you reach your personal best. Now when you're playing the blues in the major side, you know how to use the minor pentatonic scales. I hope this helped you guys. I'll see you in the next video.